Oh, hey, how's it going? It's your pal Seth from Golfdom Magazine, here to tell you that the September issue is out now. I hope you'll check it out. I talked to some farmers out in Oregon about how the bentgrass seed crop was. I want to give a special shout out to Lou Sharp from Tee to Green with his help with that story. Also in the issue, very big deal here is our early order program guide. We've got one, two, three, we've got about 8 companies who shared their EOP programs with us in this issue. So check it out if you like saving money. Also in the issue, we have an article about how to conquer Kalinga. We also have a method or we're sharing our research section, a new method for precision spring dead spot control, which is very cool. Lastly, I want to give a shout out to Brian Rensselaer. He's the director of agronomy out at the Talisker Club in Utah. In my 19th hole Q&A with Brian, we talk about the course, the best thing about his job, and his number one bit of advice for all superintendents. September issue is out now. I hope you'll check it out, and I hope to see you out there at the golf course very soon.